Hey everyone, welcome back to BullQuiz. Today we're serving up 40 fun, food theme, would you rather questions. Perfect for food lovers, party games, or just passing the time with friends. Before starting the video, please subscribe to BullQuiz. Would you rather only eat sweet food or only eat savory food for the rest of your life? Would you rather eat only junk food or only eat healthy food? Would you rather eat at a 5-star restaurant or have a homemade meal? Only eat at buffets, or only eat at food trucks? Would you rather eat pancake or eat waffles every day at breakfast? Would you rather give up bacon or give up sausage? Would you rather have scrambled eggs or have a fried cheese? Would you rather eat a sweet breakfast or eat a savory breakfast one? Eat a breakfast for every meal or never eat breakfast food again? Would you rather eat pizza or eat burger? What do you prefer? Comment your choice. Would you rather give up pasta or give up rice? Would you rather only eat a sandwich or only eat salad? Choose one. Eat Mexican food or eat Italian food the rest of life? Would you rather never eat spicy noodles or like this video? Would you rather give up chips or give up popcorn? Would you rather only eat salty snacks or only eat sweet snack? Would you rather only eat snacks on fruit or only eat snacks on candy? Would you rather eat only crunch snack or eat only soft serve snacks? Eat only ice cream at every celebration or eat only cake at celebration? Would you rather give up chocolates or give up candies? Would you rather eat cookies every day or eat pie every day? Would you rather only eat fruits-based dessert disease or only eat chocolate-based desserts disease? Would you rather only drink water or only drink soda? Would you rather give up coffee or give up tea? Choose one. Drink milk smoothie every day or drink milkshake every day? Would you rather drink a spicy hot chocolate or drink a super sour lemonade? Only drink cold beverages or only drink hot beverage? Choose one. Would you rather eat sushi or eat tacos for the rest of life? Would you rather eat Indian food or eat a Chinese food every day? Would you rather never eat favorite meal or subscribe to BullQuiz? Would you rather eat Italian gelato or eat French toast for dessert? Only eat European cuisine or only eat Asian cuisine? Would you rather only eat warm food in the winter or only eat cold food in the summer? Would you rather only eat BBQ food in summer, or only eat soup in winter? Would you rather eat raw food or eat junk food? Choose one. Would you rather only eat grilled food or only eat fried food? Choose one. Would you rather eat a ghost pepper or drink a shot pickle juice? Would you rather eat raw fish or eat raw beef? Choose one. Would you rather get free fast food for life or get free healthy food for life? Choose one. Would you rather have unlimited pizza or have a unlimited pasta? Choose one. Thank you for watching video. Share your answers in the comments, and don't like and subscribe. Who loves food?